Subtract 2.42 from 250.26 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. We work from right to left and finish one column before moving to the next. In the hundredths column, 6 minus 2 is 4. In the tens column, 2 is less than 4, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the tens column. 5 becomes 4. Carry the borrow through 1 0. Each cross 0 becomes 9. The 2 in the tens column becomes 12. In the tenths column, 12 minus 4 is 8. In the ones column, 9 minus 2 is 7. Bring down 4 in the tens column. Bring down 2 in the hundredths column. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 247.84.